Greetings, YouTube. So KEH Photo considers their bargain quality grade as the Goldilocks grade where their items, condition, and price are just right for the budget-strapped individual like myself. So I went ahead and purchased a Nikon D200 in bargain quality grade from KEH Photo for 60 bucks. Let's grab a cup of coffee and unbox this shit. All right, so I have not yet opened this box. I've not yet touched this camera, and I'm going to go ahead and open it up here on camera and show you guys what a bargain quality condition camera looks like. And I'm going to take a few photos and do some initial tests, and then I'll show you guys some photos at the end of this video. All right, let's get cracking. So I will not be offended whatsoever if you guys want to go ahead and skip to the very end of this video and skip the bullshit. Okay. Okay. Nice. New to you, better for all, we believe, making the best last. Okay. Got some bubble wrap here. It's nice to know that my camera won't get damaged in shipping. By the way, their customer service was excellent. FedEx lost my package, and customer service from KEH helped me solve that problem. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, so very sufficient bubble wrapping. Nice plastic bag here. I'm gonna show you what the contents look like before I pull it open. Okay, so this is the charger and a Nikon battery. Nikon D200. So, I'll just be pulling it off. Okay. So, in the sale, KEH mentioned that there was some scuffs on the camera body, but nothing that would affect the photograph. All right, so here is a Nikon D200, bargain quality grade. So the first thing I notice is that the screen here is almost flawless, no major scratches or anything. I can see, wow, I mean, I was honestly expecting this to have a lot more dings on it. You know, as long as it worked, I was going to be happy with the $60 price. But I mean, if this was my camera and I was selling it on eBay just based on my initial impression, I'd probably sell this like very good condition, or like just maybe nearly like new or under like new. So they're very conservative with this. This is a very good quality camera. Like, just like, I expected the scuffs to be a lot worse. Like, this looks like my Nikon D300, and I've had that thing for 15 years and I've used it all over the place, and I've kept it in pretty good condition. But yeah, I mean, there's some use on the bottom for where the tripod would attach, of course. Wow. Okay. Okay, everything's good with the mirror and the sensor, it looks like. Or visually inspecting it, nothing majorly wrong. Okay. So let's go ahead and pull out the battery. It's not charged. I can always grab the battery from my Nikon D300. Okay, battery's low, but it's working. And you have to charge that guy. Nikon D300 battery. Stick it in the right way, dumbass. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to switch it to aperture priority because that's what I usually use. Yep. Interesting. There we go. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a lens and I'm going to take a couple photos and I'm going to make some comments about that. All right, so I have the venerable 35mm f1.8 DX format lens, prime lens. I'm going to go ahead and attach this to the Nikon D200. Okay. I'm going to go down to f1.8. Check the ISO, it's in 400. I'm going to take it down to, let's see, 100. Yep. Okay. Okay, everything's focusing. Oh. Digital cameras require memory cards in order for you to take pictures. All right, now that I'm done being a dumbass, 32GB card from Nikon D300. Okay, photo taken. And just inspecting the photo here, looks like everything is in good shape. I'm not seeing any major dust spots on the sensor or anything, and everything is in good working order. All right, so when I purchased the camera, this Nikon D200, in bargain quality condition, I was expecting a camera in much worse condition than it actually was. I would rate this condition as very good. This camera is not really banged up that much. The scuffs were much less than I thought. Everything is in working order, good working order. And KEH Photo, their customer service was excellent. So my whole experience of purchasing this bargain quality camera was excellent. And I would recommend to everyone to give bargain quality a shot for a lens or a camera or what have you. And given that my experience was so exceptional. Hey, so thanks for taking some time out of your day to unbox this camera with me. If you really like this video, leave a like in the comment box below. It really helps out my channel. And also, if you'd like to check out more content like this, subscribe to my channel. And if you'd like to see some of my photography work, where I've done wildlife photography, astrophotography, and like landscape photography, go out and check out my website in the link below. And lastly, I'm going to, at the end of this video, put up some images taken from my sister's barn of some horses. To show what some of this camera can do. Thanks for checking out my video.